Hi Aquarius, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for November 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also going to dive into these oracle decks that I have here. Aquarius, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Towards the final days of October, stepping into November 2021, we have the Knight of Pentacles here. Possibly in these final days, Aquarius, you were somebody who was comfortable being all by yourself, but then maybe there was somebody who was trying to provoke you. That is why you were not going to keep quiet, or you were somebody who did retaliate. Maybe you also had to deal with some distressing piece of news. Work-wise, I think there may have been work offers, but then they may not have excited you enough. On the other hand, Aquarius, in case you're already working, maybe you were dealing with a person or a colleague who wanted to have her way, but then you were somebody who was not going to give in. Rather, I think the status quo was being maintained. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that November is going to pose for you is the Empress card. Perhaps Aquarius, it is time to network. I think you will form new friendships, or you're going to hear from past acquaintances and colleagues. Maybe there will also be work offers for a side hustle or something that you have never attempted. Aquarius, you will also benefit if you will consult a financial expert. Other than that, I'm also picking up that maybe you should also be on your guard, because there are going to be foes who are trying to harm your interests this month. Influences for November, we have the Knight of Cups. Like I said, you need to avoid unnecessary arguments. Maybe there are going to be those issues with your mother. Sometimes, your family members may feel that you assume too much. I think you will feel emotional, or there could be those tension-filled days as well. Sometimes you may also feel that there are colleagues or there are family members who want to assert themselves. They expect you to give in. Other than that, Aquarius, you may also find yourself overworked. I think you have a lot on your plate. Maybe colleagues are absent or they are on leave. That is why you have to step up and take charge, or responsibility is going to increase. Nevertheless, I think in case you're working in a systematic fashion, then you'll be able to achieve a lot. Like I said, this month is the time to network a bit. Maybe you should take client feedback as well. I think you should also be worried because there are some colleagues who are keeping an eye on you, or you may feel as though you're being watched. The first 10 days of November, we have the Death card. You need to accept, or you need to embrace the change or the transition that is happening in your life. It is going to be a bit difficult, or it is going to be onerous, but then you have to accept this change, because not accepting the same would mean that it could be more difficult for you. While working, I think there could be pressing matters that you have to attend to. Maybe you have to show more urgency, or you will be somebody who will be wanting to complete the task quickly. Nevertheless, I think Aquarius, you can take heart from the fact that you will be delighted with the output. It would also be better to make allowances for your patrons or your clients in this time. Appreciation is also on the cards for you. I think you should also have a heart-to-heart talk with the administrator in case you feel someone is up to mischief. Definitely timely intervention by the management will work in your favor. 10 days, that is 11 to 20th November, we have the Page of Pentacles. Minor gains can be expected in this time. I think communication is also going to increase. Maybe you're somebody who's going to play the agony aunt. You're somebody who's going to be sought after for your words of wisdom. Possibly in this time you could be applying for jobs, but then these offers may not be to your liking. In these days also, I think you should be on your toes, because your boss or your superior could ask you to make a presentation at short notice. In case you're working on your financial transactions, I think you should be very careful with respect to paperwork in this time, especially in case you're investing in the stock exchange. The final days of November, we have the Two of Wands. Maybe you're going to be ruminating about what you should do in life. Nevertheless, a solution seems to be in sight for your problems. Maybe financial issues could also create discord within your family or your home life. Another card that flipped up in your reading is the Eight of Cups. I think emotionally you may be feeling the heat in this time. You may also wonder whether the client will approve of your work. But then you can take heart from the fact that professionally you'll be quite well placed in this time. Surprises are definitely in store for you. Perhaps Aquarians, this month you should negotiate and have your way. Other than that, I'm also picking up that you will be socializing, there'll be reunions, or you will want to clear up your living space. With respect to your love life, Aquarians, I have this card, offer. Definitely, Aquarians, you can expect attention from the opposite sex, even unwanted attention. We do have the Knight of Cups in your reading. So somebody is coming in. Perhaps this person is also keeping his ego aside and wants to make that offer to you. Maybe some of you also want your person to recognize the connection. Maybe you want a formal proposal from this person. But maybe you could also be a bit dejected or disheartened because we do have the Eight of Cups in your reading. Some of you may feel low with respect to your love life. You may feel at a loss. It's also possible that there could be a physical distance between you and your person. That is why you're feeling as though you're all by yourself. For some of you, it's also possible that you want your person to be more demonstrative. Maybe there's a physical distance here. Nevertheless, I think in case you're in a romantic connection, I think your person wants to surprise you with gifts. Maybe your person is also quite insecure because you have options with respect to matters of the heart. That is why he thinks that he doesn't stand a chance with you. In case, Aquarians, you fancy someone, I think you need to be careful. Maybe this person wants to be all by himself. That is why we do have this card, Eight of Cups here. Nevertheless, I think for many Aquarians this month, we are talking about a twin flame here because you do have the Two of Wands in your reading. To close this reading, we have this message from the universe which talks about raise your vibration and choose peace and harmony in your thoughts and with others. This is the card 666 here. Certainly, I think Aquarians, you need to avoid those unnecessary arguments, especially with your mother or with work colleagues. Like I said, somebody could also want to offer the olive branch. This person could also want to keep his ego aside. I think you should give peace a chance this month. Definitely harmony in your relationships will ensure peace of mind. I hope, Aquarians, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.